Good morning, children. How are you all, children? Yes, very fine. Good, children. Now, what do you see? Which game do you see, children, here? Yes. What do you see here, children? It is a chess. Yes, it needs lot of skill, intelligence, and concentration, all of you know. But do you all know from where has it come? Very few of us know. Earlier, great kings also used to play chess. Today also it has become a very popular game. Yes, children, do you all agree? So today we are going to study the wonderful world of chess. See, kingdoms have vanished. What is the meaning of vanished? Disappeared. Kings have gone. Do we have kings now, children? No, there are no kings who are ruling the country. But one game they played remained with us. So this game was played by kings and probably remains with us forever. What is the name of the game? It is chess. It has won the hearts of Indians, Egyptians, Persians, Chinese, Japanese, and every thinking animal on the earth. Okay, so it has won. So all Indians play, Egyptians play, Persians play, Chinese play, and also Japanese play this game. Not only them, other country people also play this game. Thinking animals means it's nothing but human beings. What is it that made it so dear to our hearts? Why this game is liked by many people? Different people give different reasons. What are the different people? See, if I ask you why do you like the game, you say it improves our concentration level. The other one may say, teacher, it develops our intelligence. Other will say, teacher, I have fun in it. Other may say, teacher, I may understand the different ways of getting out of a problem. So everyone have different reasons and different views about the game. So let us see from where it has come. History. This wonderful game of chess is a gift of India to the world. So it has come from India only. The Hindus believe that it was invented by Queen Mandodari, the wife of King Ravana. So, okay, what Hindus believe that King Ravana was there, no? His wife Queen Mandodari invented this game. Invented means made it. Discovery means found it. However, historian H.J.R. Murray holds that it was invented by a scholar from northwest India around 5th century. In those days, it was called Chaturanga. Okay, what was it called, children? It was not called chess. It was called Chaturanga. The 4 divisions of the military. The 4 divisions of the military. Legends has it that this inventor was ordered by the ruler to ask for a reward for his invention. So our history says that in the king, ruler means king, told the inventor to ask for a reward for his invention. He requested to give him 1 grain of rice for the first square. See, you draw a box and be writing 1 grain of rice for the first square, 2 for the second one. So how many squares will be there? You know, children, in the chess 64 squares will be there. 4 for the third one and so on, doubling the number of grains continuously up to 64. So think how many he will get. First one 1, second one 2, third one 4, fourth one 8, then 16, then 32, then 64. 64, 64, 4, 4, 8, 6, 6, 12, 128, 128, 128. Like that you do. What will happen, you know? Figure, you try it, children. What will be the figure? Everybody thought that he was a fool. Why? Less amount of rice he will get, they thought. But when the royal accountants announced the quantity of rice that should be given to the inventor, everyone was awestruck. The figure was gigantic. The figure was very big. Yes, it was gigantic. Figure was very big. You have to stop the video here, children, and do the squares. I want you all to do, children. How many of you have done it? You have to say me, teacher, I have done it in your homework. Just type a line and send it to me. Teacher, I have done it. I was unable to do. You will tell me, see. Because 1 square. Total 64 squares are there. You are going to try it, children, and you are going to tell me. No one had ever heard of such an enormous number. It was 18446774073709551 It was a very big number. The accountants told the king that it could not be paid even with all the rice available on earth. So that big number was that. What a number! If you want an idea of how big this number is, imagine you have this much money. Imagine you have this much money. Then if you spend 1 crore rupees every second of your life, not day or minute or hour, that telling, if you spend 1 crore of rupees every second of your life, it takes approximately 60,000 years for you to spend all the money. That much time it will take. So how intelligent the man is who has invented this game. Do you agree with me, children? Yes. So what are the rules of the game? Little I will give you, children. Tomorrow we will discuss rules. Just like any other game, chess is also governed by rules. The pieces or the chessman like the rook, the knight, the bishop, etc. move on the board in a quite restricted way. The movement of each piece is important because if a piece can move to a square, it can capture the piece in that square, whoever it may be. So what is it telling? What is it telling, children? The rule. There are different players. The rook, the knight, the bishop. Everyone have their different moves. Yes. And when they are moving, they can capture the other square. That means it will kill the part. We say no. Will kill that and will capture the square. Like that you say. So all these rules in detail we are going to discuss in our next class, children. And I want you all to do the work what I have given one thing, and all of you should play the game of chess and understand what are its rules. You can discuss it with your parents and do it, children. Your homework will be you have to read the lesson till the page it is taught and write hard words how many will come till that place. Okay, children? Thank you. Take care, children.